हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ हिकायत अत्तर का गिगल पफ का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Let's talk about the packaging first. Now, Giggle Puff comes in this very bright yellow box. Like, it's hard to miss. The color is super bright and it has some golden details to it. And side में बहुत ही gorgeous pattern बना हुआ है golden से, which just makes the box very attractive. पीछे की तरफ details mentioned है, including the perfume notes, which I really appreciate the brand for. And this is the overall box packaging. And then here is the gorgeous bottle. It has some texture made on it, and you can see the dent that I have given. The cap on this one is very similar to Armani Privé fragrances, like looks like a rock on top. Overall, the presentation is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the sprayer and then I'll discuss the fragrance notes. The sprayer is nice and diffuses the product really well. Now, this perfume is kind of like your vanillic, sweet, citrusy, coconutty, white floral, powdery fragrance. This opens up with coconut, Italian lemon, grapefruit, mid notes of bourbon vanilla, peach, gardenia and jasmine, base notes of caramel, vanilla bean, benzoin and some musk. Now from the notes breakdown, it's pretty much clear that this one is kind of like that same citrusy, vanillic, powdery family fragrance. The added touch of coconut is what makes a lot of difference in this fragrance because it adds to a lot of creaminess in this perfume. Then it has gardenia as well as jasmine that adds to the brightness of this fragrance. Along with creaminess, it does have the zestiness and the brightness of the white florals. And peach is kind of adding like a nice fruity touch in this perfume. The vanilla, the caramel and benzoin along with musk are adding to a lot of sweetness and the powderiness in this fragrance. And overall, this comes out to be a gorgeous kind of like a tropical, vanillic, coconutty, citrusy, white floral fragrance. Now, Giggle Puff is said to be a inspired version or a dupe for Hufflepuff from the House of Siage. House of Siage fragrances are mad expensive, so I don't mind paying like 2,800 for something so gorgeous and so fluffy and so nice. Now these days, these lemon zesty vanillic fragrances have made a lot of buzz in the market. I do have Victoria from Latafa and I have a couple of other fragrances from Muse Beauty, from Platinum Perfumes, which are kind of like similar to that citrus vanillic zone. So I'm going to do a separate comparison video of all of these fragrances, so stay tuned on that. Coming back to the performance of Giggle Puff, around 8 to 9 sprays, or let me say 10 sprays, gives me around a longevity of 6 hours. I can consider a spray of 2. Like 2 sprays is equal to 1 hour of longevity with this one. I go a little overboard with the sprays because I really want to have that nice blast and a nice scent bubble around me. So I kind of go with 10 to 15 sprays most of the time. This is a good office wear, it's a good casual and semi-formal wear. This is not at all an offensive fragrance. You can rock this to office and everyone seems to love it because it's non-offensive, kind of does not give a headache and does not affect others with this fragrance. The longevity is around 6 to 7 hours. The projection and sillage is moderate. This does give me good compliments because it is the kind of fragrance which is a people pleaser. Some people find this to be like a candied lemon fragrance, but to my nose this is more creamy than candy. This feels like kind of like a vanillic donut, a coconut vanilla donut which is sprinkled with sugar and some lemon shavings on the top, and kind of like has that creaminess on top of it, like icing maybe. So it feels like that kind of a donut fragrance to me. Overall, it's a gorgeous summer gourmand to have. It's a good all year around fragrance as well because you can wear it during the daytime, and also this is good to be worn as a solo fragrance as well as works really well in the layering combinations. Overall rating on Giggle Puff is a 9 out of 10. I love the pricing, I love the scent profile. Overall, I'm quite enjoying the light fluffy gourmand fragrance that this is. So that's it for today. That is my thoughts on Giggle Puff. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to continue making amazing perfume content that I always do. So please make sure that you join this family and discuss nice perfumes with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.